Hello friends. Like any other pet, betta fish can experience health problems if they are not properly cared for. Here are some common health issues that betta fish may face. 1. Fin rot. This is a bacterial infection that can cause the fins to become ragged or discolored. It can be caused by poor water quality or stress. 2. Itch. This is a parasitic infection that causes white spots to appear on the fish's body and fins. It can be caused by poor water quality or stress. 3. Swim bladder disorder. This is a condition that can cause the fish to float on its side or struggle to swim. It can be caused by overfeeding or constipation. 4. Dropsy. This is a bacterial infection that can cause the fish to become bloated and develop raised scales. It can be caused by poor water quality or stress. 5. Velvet. This is a parasitic infection that causes the fish's skin to appear velvety or dusty. It can be caused by poor water quality or stress. To help prevent these health problems, it is important to provide your betta fish with a clean and appropriately sized tank, a balanced diet, and a stress-free environment. If you notice any signs of illness in your betta fish, it is important to seek veterinary care as soon as possible. If you liked it, then please subscribe to the channel and like it. Goodbye.